Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to demystify one of the most powerful tools that set rich people and poor people aside. That tool is investing. The truth is, every single big dream starts with 3 simple steps. The first one is getting the right information. The second one, making a bold decision. The third one is, of course, taking action. I'm going to explain what investment really means, using real-life example that anybody can relate into. Give you information that will guide you and help you make a bold decision for the future. Finally, I will share with you a couple options you can use to take action and to begin or scale up your investment journey. If you stay with me all the way to the end, I will share with you a stock that's under $5 that's ready to move, that anybody can invest to and get a good return on investment. Let's get into it. What is investment? What does it mean to invest? It's putting money or resource into something with the expectation of making profit in the future. Buying asset, stock, which are expected to grow over the time. It can also mean starting a business or a real estate investment. In the simple sense, you are using your current resource to invest into something that will give you more resource in the future. See, investing is like planting a seed and watch them grow later on to give you more fruit. Now, the major difference between rich people and poor people is how they use the seed. Poor people eat all the seed while complaining that it's not enough to save up or to grow more fruit later on. They put the seed in place that absorb them and destroy them. They borrow more seed from banks or institutions to exchange with stuff they want and not what they really need. On the other hand, rich people are willing to start small. They are planting at least one seed every time they get paid with seed. They understand that the more seed you plant, you are increasing your chance of getting more fruit later on. Then, whenever possible, they borrow more seed from bank or other institution to diversify the garden. Now, my question to you listening to me is, which side are you on? Are you planting more seed whenever you can? Or are you part of those who believe that you are not getting enough for you to eat and save up to plant later on? Let me know down in the comment what you think, which side you stand. If you have different way of planting a seed, I would love to know that too. Now, let's acknowledge something. One of the main reasons some people are not investing is truly the lack of information. Getting the right information on time. In 2016, I was working 3 jobs, putting somewhere around 100 plus hours every week. Every time I get paid, I tend to reward myself by buying stuff and just to feel good and compensate my effort. At that time, I didn't know anything about the stock market, Bitcoin, bonds, and other assets. All I knew back then was that there is a place called Wall Street in New York, Manhattan, where smart and rich people make millions of dollars every day selling stuff they don't own. We all see that in movies, but I didn't know I could do it. All I knew, it's you get a full-time job, you get a 401k, and you put more hours, you work longer hours, and you make more money and you buy stuff. And the truth is, a lot of people are doing the same today, just as we speak. Putting more work, working longer hours, missing quality time with family, just because they have to pay the next bill. And I understand it's hard, but the problem is they don't have the right information. Then I was busy trying to catch up, trying to work every single hour possible, every overtime, every holiday pay, trying to make more, because the more money you make, then you can pay your bills. And I know many people are doing it as we speak. Working longer hours, missing quality time with family because they have to work. And it's still hard. I understand. I've been there and now the problem is information. Good information is like a precious stone. Regardless how you found it, regardless where you found it, it's still all its value. Anywhere you go, if you found a diamond or if you found a gold, Regardless you found it in Africa, regardless you found it in the US, regardless you found it in Canada, regardless you found it in Jamaica, it's still gold, it's still diamond. Regardless you found it like in a river, regardless you found it in like a story building, it's still diamond, it's still gold, and they hold their value. So good is like that. Whenever you found it, it holds its value. And at this that I will share quality content that will add value to people like every day. Pay attention to what I'm saying in this channel. Long story short, I work longer hour and did what I can do, sometimes missing kid's birthday party, all of that until COVID hit. One of my coworkers introduced me to Robinhood, a platform where you can trade stock, cryptocurrency, but also a place where you can invest. That's later on I'm using every single day to learn, trade, and grow rich. And I would like to share my knowledge with you as well. And I know so many people may be wondering what type of investment are out there. What can I invest into? In the US and almost everywhere else, people can invest in stock, bond, cryptocurrency, annuity, stock, traded fund or ETF, CDs, real estate, hedge fund, and any other thing you can imagine. In this channel, I decided to only talk about stock, crypto, and later I will talk about real estate as form of investment. All I want to say for you listening to me is, on top of your 9 to 5, your side gig or your business, investing into the stock market is one of the most secure and easiest way to earn more income. The key information is how to start investing then. Now, to start investing, first you need a platform, what they usually call a broker. And there is different type of broker out there. As for me, I use Robinhood because it's user friendly for me. I know other people use something else. Then we have Webull, we have Momo, we have Thinkorswim, we have E-Trade, we have Cash App, we have Fidelity, there's a Coinbase, and many other things. Let me know down in the comment which one you are using or which one you know more about. Then choose a platform you want to use to start, or if you're already using, and let's grow together. Down in the comment section, I will share with you a couple links that you can use to start, or you can use to get free stock if you download those up using my link. I do also have some short videos, and I will produce some more and explain to you how you can set up your account and how you can start trading. The best investment you can ever make, it's investing into yourself. Again, the best investment you can make, it's investing into yourself. That includes shifting your thinking, shifting your mindset, shifting your way of seeing things. See your paycheck as a bag of seed instead of just a couple $100. That's not enough. See it as a bag of seed. Then you can see that inside that bag, you can pinch something and plant, but not to hit the whole thing. Success is the journey, not the destination. Success is the journey, not the destination. And if you don't switch your mindset, you will sell short, you will lose money, and you will be discouraged and believe that it's a scam. So invest into yourself, change your mindset, change your way of thinking, and let's get started. Let's go together. There's a guy who always leave a quote, and I like that quote, and every single time I'm going to share that with you. He said, most people see the end result, but very few consider the journey. Most people see the end result, but very few consider the journey. Today, we look at Bill Gates. Today, we look at Aliko Dangote. Today, we look at Jeff Bezos. Today, we look at Mark. Everybody else you can see, because we see the result they have now, but the result because of their journey. So, are you ready for your own journey? I build a community, and I want that come with me so we can grow together. All right, for those of you who stayed all the way to the end of the video, here is the share. The stock that's under $5 and anybody can and make a good return on investment. It's called Rich Tech Rabbit with the ticker symbol RR. At the time of this recording, it's $3.35. By the time you see that video, it can either be lower or a little bit up, but you still have chance to get in and make a profit out of it. Only at $5, you will be making over 50% return. If it hit $7 or $8, you will be making over 100%. Now, remember, investment carry risk. Why I choose that company? Because that company is engaged in designing, manufacturing, and producing robots for restaurants, for hotels, and also for senior living. Do you believe that company will disappear in the next 5 or 10 years? Or do you believe the demand will increase in the next 5 to 10 years? Let me know down in a comment what you think. And also, if you found value from this video or overall from that channel, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Help the channel grow. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you.